Hi, welcome back to Imagine the Art Design. I hope you're ready to dive into a new journaling prompt today that's all about happiness and joy. So grab your journal, settle in, and let's get started. Today's journaling prompt is one of my favorites. What does your perfect happy day look like? This prompt is all about imagining a day filled with positivity, sunshine, and everything that makes you feel good. Whether you're someone who loves spending time with family, enjoying nature, or simply having a moment to yourself, this is your chance to create the happiest version of your perfect day on paper. This is such a powerful prompt because taking time to think about your happy place or perfect day helps you tap into the moments that bring you joy. It allows you to connect with your desires, appreciate the little things, and even discover what truly makes you feel fulfilled. It's a creative and uplifting way to refocus your energy on the good things in life. Visualizing and writing about happiness can actually shift your mood. Did you know that reflecting on positive experiences, even ones you're imagining, has been shown to boost your overall happiness? It's a little reminder that joy is never too far away. I will give you some ideas to get the most out of this prompt. Begin by thinking about your perfect morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up on your happiest day? Is the sun shining through your window? Are you having your favorite breakfast? Maybe you're taking a peaceful walk outside with a fresh cup of coffee. Next, let's move into the heart of the day. What activities make you feel your best? Maybe it's a day full of adventure, hiking under the bright sky, or spending time with friends and family. Or perhaps your perfect happy day is more relaxing, curling up with a good book, enjoying your hobbies, or working on creative projects. And don't forget about the little details that bring you joy. What does the air smell like? What sounds do you hear? Is there music playing in the background? Think about the sights, sounds, and feelings that make your day complete. Write it all down. Let your imagination run wild. Here's the best part. This prompt isn't just about writing. It's about visualizing your happiness and reminding yourself that these joyful moments are within reach. Journaling like this can shift your mindset, helping you stay focused on the things that make you feel fulfilled. Even on tough days, coming back to your perfect day can be a powerful tool for finding positivity. If you're into visual journaling, now's the perfect time to bring your bright, happy day to life with some creative touches. My watercolor journal kits, like the one you're seeing now, are designed to add a little extra sunshine to your journaling. Feel free to check out my Etsy store, where I sell some colorful kits that can brighten up your pages. Using colorful designs and creative elements in your journaling can make the experience even more fun, and it's a great way to reflect your mood and thoughts visually. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear what your perfect happy day looks like. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun journaling prompts and tips. See you next time.